Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 8th of December 2014, we're going to be looking at the Forex Majors and just see what will be happening with the Elliott Wave Analysis. Okay, before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's go to the charts. First chart that we've got up is the euro dollar. As you can see, we've taken our wave count starting location. If we take it all the way to the highs, if we take there, you can see the wave count going up. I'll take it to a monthly chart and then bring it down for you traders. So here we take the high of 0.0. We take that on the 14th of July 2008, and then we take it down to a wave 1, and that is the main count there. There's the count is a cycle degree wave. That's black end in Roman numerals, and that's at the low of June the 5th 2010, and then we take it up to the high for wave 2, which finishes on May the 2nd 2011, and now we're looking for its wave 3 as it comes down. The substructures, as you can see, primary red 1, 2, and also in a wave 3 down. Take it down now to the daily. You've got the idea we're in a wave 3 of the cycle degree and a wave 3 of a primary degree. Breaking that wave structure down, you can actually see that we're in a wave 2, wave 3 of a primary. As I mentioned to you, there's the high. Its substructures is the intermediate, that's green and in brackets, and we haven't yet completed its wave 1 according to my wave count. Breaking that structure down, the wave 3 of the minor, which is the subwave, which is pink, has been completed at the 261.8 level. We're looking for a push up now for its wave 4, then to take down to its wave 5 to complete the wave 1 of its larger degree, which is the intermediate, that's in green and in brackets. We look at the indicators which we've got the awesome oscillator, and we've got the stochastics on a 15.55. As you can see, we're more movement downwards possible. We can actually probably see some divergence up here, as you can see from here, this low to this high on the awesome oscillator, while the chart itself is actually showing new lows. So probably we could be at a wave 5 right here right now, and that could be in its completion. Let's just see what actually happens thereafter. As for the lines series, these are series of lines which are the Trading Tigers Filter Ultimate. So more on that as you join through our group. Right, let's now move to the US Japanese yen. US Japanese yen, I'll take it from the high and bring it down to the low. As you can see, we're in an ABC corrective kind of pattern. That's the larger wave degree. A, B, C, that's the cycle, but its main wave count, which is the super cycle, that's blue and in brackets, is also in a corrective move. So if we look at the substructures of the super cycle, that's the cycle that's in black, that's A, B, C, and now we're looking for its wave 1 to come up. While we're here on the larger wave degree pattern, larger chart, we can actually see we're in a wave 3 of a primary degree. Market is moving up. As you can see, there's the market moving up, and the wave 3, we're looking for its target to complete at 124.294. Please note the other targets have all been hit successfully. We had an entry at 106.94 with a stop level of 102.531, and as you can see, as we entered, price didn't come up at all. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be looking to be able to move our stop up to keep the necessary profits. Wave 4 didn't come down at all yet to touch, so has the wave 3 completed? We'll only be able to determine when we see a stronger pullback down. Okay, now let's move to the US Swiss. The US Swissy has been our nightmare for a couple of weeks, I must say, traders. Take it from the high degree. We've been anticipating it move down, but on our wave count, what we're looking at, let's have a look. We'll move to the monthly chart now, and you can see the high of September the 9th, 2000. That's where we can start our count, to the low here of November the 1st, 2004. So 4 years to complete that wave move of the cycle degree, taking up to the high of wave 2, October the 7th, 2005, and now when it's wave 3 down. That's off the cycle degree. That's black and in Roman numbers. That's right, no Roman numbers. Note the SSD, how it's kind of still moving upwards, so we could probably have some more push up. We're not even close to the oversold area yet, so we could probably see some more move up. Take it down to the daily chart so you can actually see what I'm talking about. The larger wave degree, sorry, I take that down to the data, to the monthly, back to the monthly. 1, 2, yeah, so you can see the substructures of cycle are the primary, that's red and in circles. There's the one at the low of July 2011, and the high here, which we're expecting to be completed. If it's not completed, we'll have to move it across. As you can see, what I'll say to you in a minute, traders, that wave 2, which is over here, if price pushes beyond that area, then that wave 2 will move across. Right now it's holding intact in place, so we're not looking for any violation of that line. We've just recently moved our wave 2 of the intermediate down. The intermediate is green and in brackets, and now what we're looking for, as you can see, the divergence in play here on the awesome oscillator, and you can see as price pushes through these kind of areas here, we're looking for a strong movement down. This will complete the wave 3 of the intermediate at about 100% level, so we'll really be looking at that level. So we're looking for any kind of movement downwards would be wonderful, and that would be great. If price pushes past this wave 4, we're really going to be all over it like a rash. Okay, fine, let's now move to the Aussie US dollar, traders. Take it up to the monthly chart so you can follow where I'm saying it. We're in an ABC corrective kind of pattern move, and as you can see, the low here is where we start our count on April 2001, and there's wave A completed at the high of July 2008, and the wave B completed on October 2008. So when it's wave C now pushing up, in the wave C, of course, you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern move, and now we're looking for a wave 2 of the primary degree to be completed. Looking at that larger wave structure, there's an A, B. We're in the wave C of the intermediate, which is the substructure of the primary red and in brackets, red and in circles, which is below, down here. You can probably see it down there. There we go. So to complete the wave C, we know we've got a 5-wave move of the minor to complete. So the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and then it's wave 4 will come up around this area to complete the wave 5 down there. If I move this across, just give it a bit of space and let it just all finish together tightly. So that's what we're looking at there. You can see the SSD, that's dropping down fast. It's actually in the oversold area, but we know the substructure of the wave 3 minor has its 5 waves. That's the minute degree, that's blue and in brackets, so there's a wave 3. its substructure has completed its wave 5 wave pattern, looking for a push up for the wave 4 and then the wave 5 down to complete. Okay, now let's move to the pound US dollar traders. Taking it from the monthly chart, we're taking it a very simplistic view on this. I'll actually take it down to the daily chart because I put its wave 0 quite at this high here. Wave 0 on the daily chart is 16th of July 2014, and that's the primary. Wave 1 at the low of 9th of September 2014, the high coming up the 19th of September 2014, when it's wave 3 down, and as you can see, its substructures have completed various levels. We took an entry at 1.59400 with a stop at 16050. The prices subsequently just moved down, taking the first profit out, taking the second profit out. We're looking for the third profit to complete, and then when that completes, then we're looking for a wave 4 to push up off the intermediate, that's green in brackets, and then the wave 5 to complete the wave 3 of the largest degree, which is the primary, and then looking for a bounce up between these areas to complete the wave 4 pattern. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the US CAD to complete our our majors sequence. Taking it from the monthly chart, traders, and what we have here, we have the point 0 on the monthly chart at the high of 16th of January 2002, coming all the way down to complete the wave 1 on November the 4th 2007, then kicking it back up at the high at the 61.8 level March the 8th 2009, and now we're looking for its wave 3 to come down. When we take the wave 3 down, we're looking for the substructures of the cycle degree. Cycle degree is black and in Roman numbers. The substructures are going to be the primary, which is red in circles, and the intermediate, which is green and in brackets. So here we are, traders. As you can see, the wave 2 hasn't yet completed. We looked to take a cheeky entry on the high up just to capture some moves, and we take two entries, one at 1.1296 and the other one at 1.1255. Stop levels 1.1023, and we're looking to complete this move at 1.1653, and that will be the 61.8 level for the Fibonacci. And now we're looking for its, we'll be looking for its move down. That's right. You can see a lot more movement on the SSD, not yet in oversold area, overbought area. I apologize for that. And also look at the awesome oscillators, some possible divergence occurrence over here, which could mean that that wave 5 is in close of completion. Wave 5 of the minor. So its substructures, let's go through it again. The minor, sorry, the primary red and in circles, wave 2, the ABC corrections of its subordinate is the intermediate, that's green in brackets, the minor wave 5 and the minute wave 5. Okay, fine, so that completes this. And if we want to have a look at the US dollar, I get a lot of requests to complete the US dollar, so I will do that for you, traders. Take it from the let's take it from the high. Move down to the daily, and I want to give you a fuller picture so you can actually have a better understanding of what I'm looking at. And as you can see, there's the wave 2 of the intermediate, and if I can make this any bit smaller, probably going to take it from the intermediate. That's right, it's wave 0 at July the 30th 2011. Its 5 waves have completed of its subordinate. Wave 1 completed the 2nd of July 2013, and taking it down to the low of the wave 2. If I can get it up. That's the story of my life, traders. Wave 2 quite tight at the 38.2 level, and that's the wave 2 where we kind of classified it at, and now we take it to the wave 3 of the intermediate. Intermediate, as you know, would have 5-wave structure built in of the minor. The subordinates, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, and we're looking for that wave 5 for completion. And its subordinates also as the minor wave. So we're in a wave 5 of a minor, wave 5 of a wave 5 of a minute, which is blue in circles, wave 5 of a minor, and we're looking at the wave 3 of a intermediate. But that is possible. We are in the overbought territory of the SSD. Stochastic awesome oscillator, yeah, possible divergence could be in play, but we've got to wait a few more candles or a few more bars up to determine that. Okay, so that's me, traders. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.